Use search for how to buy shares of DERMAPHARM Holding SE. DERMAPHARM is a German pharmaceutical company listed on Xetra under the ticker DMP.DE. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy DMP.DE, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds to enable purchases. Use the platform's search bar to find the company. Type the ticker DMP.DE and select the matching DERMAPHARM listing on Xetra to ensure it is the correct asset. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to understand recent market movement. Confirm the listing shows Xetra and the ticker DMP.DE before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy and enter the amount you want to invest, choosing market or limit order as needed. Review fees and order details carefully and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, your order may execute when trading reopens, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Once executed or pending, your position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is included in the description if you want to explore the platform further.